It begins with just one dream. Just imagine, close your eyes and invite your heart to take you to a different place. How does it feel? How does it feel? And your dreams will make you see where you're really meant to be. Listen to your inner voice. It's all reality. How does it feel? How does it feel? There'll be freedom, there'll be greatness, there'll be love and joy and justice when we move on and we get on to live our dreams. There'll be good, there'll be grace, and we make the world a better place when we move on and we get on. Puedes llegar a las estrellas e ir donde perteneces y descubrir la luz interna de tu corazón. ¿Cómo te hace sentir? ¿Cómo te hace sentir? Nuestros sueños curarán